Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create multiple Instagram posts in just 3 to 4 minutes and maybe less. So guys, video is gonna be exciting, so stay tuned with the video and I will show you how you can create multiple Instagram reels at one time, and this is very easy process. So let's get started. This video is especially for content creator and other teachers person type. So I write here Instagram reel. I click on this. So guys, I click on create a blank Instagram reel. So guys, in this video I will make almost 10 to 15 Instagram reels at a time, but you can make as many as you want. This I just want to show you a way so you can easily create hundreds of reels at a time. So I go to video and here I search motivation. I click on this and set image as background. So as you can see, it look good. After that I paste here different quotes. These all are motivational quotes. So I click on this and paste it here, and you can see they are looking good. Yeah, I bold them and change the text color. And that's it. So as you can see, one reel is ready. So but now I want to create multiple reels. So I go to bulk create option, enter data manually, clear data, name the table like title, and that's it. After that, click on this and press the down key to increase the number of rows. So that's it. After that I go to this and here I copy almost 10 to 12 quotes and go to there and I paste all the quotes here. So as you can see, there are 10 quotes. So I press done. So as you can see, I click on this text button and after that connect data title. So as you can see, all titles are connected. So I click on continue and you can see all the 10 quotes are connected to this title, and I click on generate 10 pages. It is generating. Wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see, the reels are generated. I pause the video. So guys, as you can see, our reels are ready. Now we have just we have just we have to just adjust the text and change the background color like this. The first color is good. After that I go to second reel and adjust the text and go to videos, and here I search motivation and I drag this video and set video as background. So as you can see, it's also look good. Just decrease the size of the reel and that's it. After that go to third reel and adjust the text like this and choose this video and replace background. So guys, In this way you can create as many reels as you can at a time. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this skill. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.